So you got your makeup in the mail. Now what? I'm here to walk you through how to put together your compact and first applications. So you open your magnetic palette and pop each of the tins right into the top layer. I do my main highlight, brightening highlight, contour, and then lip and cheek, but you can arrange them in any order you want. Then I add eyeshadows and any illuminators, extra lip and cheeks, bronzers, or stuff in the bottom. And it's that simple as putting your compact together. And then remove any extra brushes or perfector sponges or items that you got with your order. If you're using Bella Bronzer, there's two ways to apply it. You can use it as a base layer on your face before you put on your main foundation colors. And if this is what you're going to do, you just apply an even layer all over your face to even out your skin tone and any discoloration before applying your colors. Next is the basic hack. 4 colors on your face. You can paint them on like dots like this or apply them with the brush. Your main highlight will be the closest that'll match your skin tone and go down in your beard area along with across the top of your forehead. Second is your brightening highlight, and this is a pop of color under your eyes, across your nose, your T-zone area, and it's great for priming your eyelids. The third color you're going to use is contour. I still use my finger for contour just so I can feel my cheekbone. Pinch the end of your brush to use your brush and apply it, and then brush it up and into your hairline for a little facelift. The lip and cheeks are dual purpose, so it'll go on your cheek and then also on your lips. You can mix and match these colors to make your own concoctions or add whatever color you would like. And then I'm going to blend in the other side. Since it's a cream-based makeup, when it sits on your face, it blends so easily as it warms into your skin. And that is the basic hack. If you're going to apply Bella Bronzer after you apply your makeup instead of beforehand, you just pat your brush into it and then add it any place that you would naturally get sun when you're outside. Our illuminators are a fun little extra shimmer that you can add to the high points of your face. Cheekbones, nose, lips, anywhere that you want a little sparkle. For eyeshadows, you're going to want to use a matte color to contour the crease. If you got 2 matte colors, you'll do the darker color in the crease to add some definition, just like you would contour your face. And then you'll do a shimmer with your finger and add it to the inside for a little pop of color. If you got 2 mattes, you can do a dark one in the crease and a light one all over the lid, and it's as simple as that. I go in with the perfector sponge, and this is a great way to set your makeup and pick up any excess product that you have. Add your lip and cheek color to your lips as well, and you're all set. That's your simple basic hack and how to set up your palette.